Well, sorry, Jackie, math can be boring for kids. So GENIBOT is a fun way to learn about mathematics.
Yes.
So could you show us how we can use coding and GENIBOT to teach some basic arithmetic?
So actually, base arithmetic is 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But this GENIBOT for young children like kindergarten and primary school students. So based on their curriculum, they do not learn about multiplication and division because it's a little difficult for them.
Right.
So we can make this kind of multiplication division, but we not gonna put in this card. Okay, so only for addition and subtraction. So I'm gonna teach math for you.
All right.
Yeah, okay. So remember when you use this card, always put in these 2 cards.
Right.
Okay, let's try to start from the easy calculation. I want to use the addition and then 2-digit numbers. Okay, 1 plus 4. Wow, it's very easy.
For some.
Some, yes.
So if I'm a young student and I don't know what 1 plus 4 is yet, I can take the GENIBOT.
Hello, I'm GENIBOT. Coding start. 1 plus 4. Coding end.
And it will move 5 times.
5 times. So actually we skipped 1 steps more because here we can guess before we use the GENIBOT. Plus means move forward, right? These 2 numbers together. So 1 after move forward to the 4. That's why the answer is going to be 5. So when you use this card with GENIBOT, I recommend a number line together.
Yeah.
Yes, because when you use number line, then students can easily understand what is the sum of these 2 numbers. That's why GENIBOT gonna stop on 5 on the number line, right? So, good. The other side is
Subtraction.
Subtraction, yes. So this one is a minus number. So I just switch the bigger number and small number. So before we use the GENIBOT, we can guess. Okay, tell me how it's going to be moving.
Well, I think 4 minus 1 is 3. Not sure, but
3 is correct. So maybe GENIBOT move forward 4 times. And minus means move forward, move backwards.
Move backwards.
Correct.
1.
So 4 move backwards once is going to be 3. Yes.
Right, it will show the arithmetic as opposed
right.
to only moving forward 3. It will
Correct. Yes.
show it.
Yes. Right. This one is important. Oh, this one is face.
Coding start. 4 minus 1. Coding end.
4. Yes.
Yeah.
That's why it's easily to figure out what is the minus. 4 minus 1 is going to be 3.
Yeah, for a deeper understanding.
Then also we can teach more complicated numbers using other numbers together, like this one. 4 minus 1 plus 6. Without these 2 cards, maybe grade 1 or 2. When you put in here, a little bit higher grade.
Yes.
Yes, because we mix together. So what is the answer?
The GENIBOT will move forward 4, then back 1, which will be a 3, and then it'll move forward 6.
Correct. So it's going to be
21.
Let me check. Let me check. So I recommend the number line. Okay, so 4 minus 1, 3 plus 6 is going to be 9. Okay, so
Coding start. 4 minus 1 plus 6. Coding end.
Okay, let's check about it. 2, 3, 4, and then minus 1. Nine.
Yes.
Yes. So this one is a very easy to teach math for the young children, and the students can understand how to calculate with these two operation, addition and subtraction with the other numbers though. So this one is also can teach the minus concept, because from the 0, the right side is going to be positive number, right? And then below the 0 is going to be negative number. So we also can teach the negative number with GENIBOT together. So I believe that this one is very powerful robot to teach math for young children.
I agree.
So can you tell me to summarize this mathematics with GENIBOT?
Well, the first number will be a move forward.
Mm-hmm.
And then using either addition, you can move forward more,
Mm-hmm.
or subtraction to move back.
Correct.
And with a number line, you can show your young learner
Mm-hmm.
what number you're finishing on
Yeah,
in
right.
the math arithmetic.
So if you can make the number line, it's much easier to teach math for the young kids. Okay. So next time, what you're gonna learn for the next chapter?
In the next chapter, I believe we will be learning music.
Correct. Yes. So let's go to the next chapter.